In today's video, I'll show you how to earn money by watching YouTube videos. Just click on Start Earning to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. I'll have to enter an access code. I'll just speed up this part of the video. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Click on YouTube to take you to the page where you can watch the videos. When I click on Watch Video, the notice says there are only tasks for mobile devices. I just happen to be recording from my laptop, but I earned with my phone. Here, there's a method to earn automatically. They recommend an app for that, the macro files, and even a video on how to use it. Now, let me show you my payout history. This is what I've earned so far. This is my payout history. As you can see, there are multiple payment options. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.